Let's talk about which services to offer in your photography business. How do you decide which services to offer and how do you price them? You can start by doing a quick review of the services that you're thinking about offering by answering these 5 questions. Is there enough demand to justify the service? Do you have a deep understanding of what the customer really wants and values? Can you access the target market with your available resources, skills, and budget? Can you differentiate yourself from your competition? Can you or someone in your organization deliver a high-quality service? If you feel like you have satisfactory answers to all of these questions, then you're good to go. If you have concerns about one or more of them, let's work through them and address them now. If you're new to my content, I'm Adam Radley and I'm the founder of iMagine. This channel is for photographers that want to start and grow their business. I'm also creating a series of videos called 100 Ways to Get Customers for Photographers. If you want to receive alerts when I release new videos, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, let's get into it. In order to figure out which photography services to offer, you need to consider whether you'll be a generalist or a specialist. Who will deliver the service? What does your target customer want? What are your competitors already offering? And what is your unique selling proposition? Yep, it sounds like real business, doesn't it? If you're looking for a quick hack, you're in the wrong place. If you're serious, let's get started by working through this sequence of steps. Step 1, generalist or specialist. The first decision you need to make is whether you want to be a specialist or a generalist. It makes sense to be a specialist if you have advanced skills and experience in delivering a particular service. The trade-off that you're making as a specialist is that you'll reduce the size of your addressable market by only offering one service, but you'll increase the chances of converting prospects into paying customers by making it obvious to them that you're a specialist that has an advanced skill set in the service that they're looking for. When you decide to become a generalist, you're maximizing the size of your addressable market and you're looking for customers that don't have any advanced requirements or customers that value the idea of getting multiple services from one place. There's one important point that you need to keep in mind. It takes a lot of time and effort to get a paying customer, and it's much easier to sell services to existing customers than it is to sell services to new prospective customers. One effective way to increase the average revenue per customer is to offer related services. Step 2, who will deliver the service? After deciding whether you'll be a generalist or a specialist, the next step is to decide who will deliver the service. If you have the skills required to deliver the service yourself, you enjoy doing this work, and you're happy to just create a business that pays you a reasonable salary, then it makes sense to do the work yourself. On the other hand, if you don't have the skills, don't enjoy doing the work, or you have big plans for expanding your business, then it makes sense to pay other people to do the work so that you can focus on other things in the business. At this point, go ahead and create a scenario that you want to analyze to see if it works for you. For the purposes of this analysis, make a decision about which one or more services you'll provide, set your pricing, and decide who will deliver the service. This is just a starting point. You'll make a final decision after completing some of the next steps. Now, step 3, customer research. After deciding on the services that you want to offer, it's important to make sure that there are customers that actually want those services. The simplest way to research what customers are thinking and what customers really want is to go to groups on social media relating to your service or go to industry-specific forums. I have a more detailed video about how to do your customer research and how to create a customer persona. Watch it if you haven't done your customer research. The question that you're trying to answer is there an unsatisfied demand for the service that you want to offer? If the answer is yes, you're good to go. If the answer is no, then you need to be clear about the fact that you can only succeed by being better than your competitors. If it's obvious that your competition is more advanced, you need to spend more time looking for an unsatisfied demand that you're capable of addressing. Based on this research, adjust or refine the service or price accordingly. Competitor research. The simplest way to do competitor research is to look at the website, social presence, and reviews of your competitors. Try to figure out what they're doing well and not so well. Look at their website to figure out which services they're offering and look at the reviews. Then figure out how you compare to your competitors. If you compare well, you're good to go. If you're going to offer the same service as your competitors, but deliver a better result, then price your service above your competitor. If you're going to offer the same service as your competitors, but deliver the same result, then you'll need to price your service similar to your competitor. If you're going to offer the same service as your competitors, but deliver a worse result, then you have to price your service below your competitor. If none of these options work, you need to find services that your competitors are not offering, or services that they are offering but not doing a good job. Based on this research, adjust or refine your service and or your price accordingly. I have a more detailed video about how to do your competitor research and create a competitor research matrix. Watch it if you haven't done your competitor research. Okay, now we're still not done with finalizing the service. Before finalizing the services that you're going to offer, you need to get very clear about your unique selling proposition. The one question that you'll need to answer every time you talk to a potential customer is, why should I choose you? I don't know how you can reasonably expect to succeed if you don't have a compelling answer to that question. Your answer to this question could be the difference between success and failure of your entire photography business. I'm pretty sure that you all have a selling proposition, but I'm also pretty sure that 99% of you don't have a unique selling proposition. So how do you go about developing one? The summary is that you need to research your potential customers to find out what is most important to them, and you need to research your potential competitors to find out how you compare to them. Then you need to make an adjustment to your services by including something that your customers value and also differentiates you from your competitors. It must meet both criteria. If you don't have a strong USP, check out my video about how to develop a unique selling proposition. Again, based on this research, adjust or refine your service and or your price accordingly. The most important thing that you need to understand here is that this is an iterative process. Every time you make an adjustment to your service or your pricing or your USP, you might end up triggering a new problem that needs to be solved. It's like solving a Rubik's Cube. When you put one color into place, it pushes another one out of place. So you need to keep going round and round until you have everything right. This process is also known as finding product market fit. So this is an ongoing process. You will refine your services even further after getting feedback from your clients about what they like, don't like, value, and don't value, as well as reviewing your own ability to deliver the service. In the meantime, your services won't sell themselves. You need to offer a good product or service, then you need to make a portion of your target audience aware of them, then you need to convert a percentage of them into paying customers. So let's talk about how to do it. First, I'll be releasing a series of videos about 100 ways to get customers for photographers. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to receive alerts when those videos are released. Second, you can generate awareness by using iMagine. It's a platform for people that want to grow their business while having a positive impact on the world. You can grow your customers and social media followers by connecting with other people on iMagine and cross-promoting your brand to each other's customers and followers. You can also find co-founders and sources of capital. The best part of all of this is that it's free and doesn't involve doing any work. Just create an account, upload a profile pic, enter a brief bio, and check the boxes that match your objectives. Then let the algorithm match you with people that want to work with you. Your matches will show up in your inbox. There are also a lot of other things that you can do on iMagine to grow your business and have a positive impact. Check out the links in the description. Third, if you decide that you want to implement any of the 100 ways to get customers for photographers, you'll need to have the website, landing pages, CRM, and other tools and automations required to convert as many of them as possible into paying customers. To help photographers have the best chance of success, I've created the Photography Growth Package. So what is the Photography Growth Package? I created a digital agency called iMagine Digital so that we can provide everything that you see in my marketing videos. In order to succeed, you need three things. An advanced website with stunning design that addresses all of the 30 critical trust factors, advanced marketing strategies that increase awareness and conversion rates, advanced marketing tools that automate everything. The Photography Growth Package includes a 31-page website that's been set up for photographers with stunning design that addresses all 30 trust factors, everything you need for e-commerce, advanced marketing funnels, a fully featured CRM, ready-made email templates, and more than 100 automations pre-configured. We'll set up everything for you. You just need to add information about your business, then start acquiring customers. If you don't use advanced marketing strategies and you don't use automations, you'll be at a massive disadvantage because digital marketing simply takes too much time when you do it manually. Your business and your personal income depend on it. This is the best way for you to instantly address all of the trust factors, instantly have all of the automations that I mention in all of my videos, and have everything you need to execute the 100 strategies in my series about 100 ways to get customers for photographers. And you'll get all of this with the least amount of time, money, and effort. For most of you, the ability to have everything that you need instantly set up and ready to go so that you can get customers 100 different ways will be the difference between success and failure. Check out the links in the description to learn more about it. In the meantime, if you do want to use your existing systems and tools, that's fine. I'm still going to give you my 100 best strategies, all outlined step by step for free in these videos. Just keep in mind that it will take a little bit more time and cost a little bit more money. Now, I know I've discussed a lot of things in this video that might be new to you. If you know that all of this is very valuable and you're in a hurry and you don't know what to do next, just subscribe to this channel and go to iMagine and create a free account. It'll take 30 seconds and we'll send you an email with a checklist about what to do next. Then you'll have all the information that you need and you can do it whenever the time is right for you. I've included links to everything in the description. I've also included links to related videos. As always, think about how to grow your business in a way that has a positive impact. The best way to do it is with the iMagine platform. I'll see you in the next video.